What's up everyone, welcome to the 8th episode of the CSS tutorial. So what I'm going to teach you now is called the box model. It's actually very useful for looking at how the elements in your page are laid out basically. So let's see. So let's close this. Okay, so I'm going to make a little border and box with thingy. I'm going to cover, like, surround this, okay? You'll see. So right now, there's nothing applied to it. So we're going to edit this div right here that surrounds this. So div, we'll give it a border. Oops. Border 5 pixels, solid green. Okay, and then reload. That's cool. And then okay, and then I'll add some other stuff. Don't worry about this yet. Just some stuff I'm going to show you. So 10 pixels, margin, padding, 5 pixels. What else? Okay, and the width of the height. So make this shorter. So width 50 pixels. Okay. Let's try 100. That's better. Okay. So once we have this little box here with we have margin, which is the outside right here, and then the padding, which is the margin but for the inside. Okay, I'll explain that in a second. So to look at the box model for any object or like element kind of thing, right click it, inspect, and then come down here on the elements tab, and then come down here and you have this little model right here. So if we look, we have the margin, which is 10. It says, look, 10 right here, and it highlights it for us, so it's nice. So 10, we also had a 10 right here, so. And then border, we set that to 5. And then padding, we also had to set that to 5. So if you don't know what it means or you forget or something, you can it'll highlight it for you and show you exactly where it's attributed to. So also we can check the width, like we said, it's 100. So, and that'll be the height. We can change that if we want to. So height, 200 pixels. So reload, and now we have. Oh, wait 1 second. Yeah, see, now it's 200 pixels. There we go. So yeah, so let's explain it real quick. So what is the border? We already learned that last episode, but the border is the outlying border. Yeah, that helps. Yep. So that's the border. We all know what that is already. So the margin is what's outside the border. It separates, like, let's say there's multiple boxes. We'll make multiple. It separates it from the other boxes to make it more neat, basically. See, look, they're separated from here, like top to bottom. See, look, if we increase the margin to, let's say, 50, then they'll be more spread out. See, more space right here, and it's all the sides. So yeah, so more space here. So if we highlight that, it shows all the space. So that's the margin. The margin's the outside of the border, and then the padding is the inside of the border. So whatever is inside the box will be contained inside of it. We don't want it touching the border, so we need a padding. So that's why we have the padding, 5 pixels. See, if we highlight it, we can make it 10 pixels. So it's further in. See, just a little bit of an increase, but there you go. And then finally, we have the box itself, the elements inside the box, which is 100 by 200. Okay. But yeah, you get the point, guys. If you find a certain object, you can get it to work. See, like that one's really good. Anyway, but yeah, some of them don't really show that well. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Just play around with this and see what we can do. Next episode, we're going to be learning about margin. So I hope you enjoyed, and peace.